Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. I have a dream, said Martin Luther King Jr. We all have dreams. Some are fulfilled. Some is still a work in progress, while some are not able to continue. But like you can continue this dream, which is located in the gated Poinciana Hills Estate, Hanover. Proposed 3 floors and a basement. The basement is proposed as a one-bedroom apartment. The first floor is two bedrooms, one bathroom with an open concept living, dining room and kitchen, with a veranda or balcony with a captivating view of the Caribbean Sea, and is 95% completed. The second floor is of similar setting with a little larger square footage where the kitchen is enclosed. In addition, one can imprint one's own taste and flavor of fine finishing to complete the floor. Not to mention, there is much more of a view of the Caribbean Sea from the second floor. Then the third floor is not yet realized, but you can. Whether to continue with the concept of two bedrooms, or one can have a mix of setting, whether it be in one-bedroom apartments. 3 to 4 bedrooms are the family domain. The land area of this property is approximately 26,690 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this property is US 800,000 or Jamaican $123.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.